Okay, welcome to CSONS at Home, Valentine's Week. For the starter, we've gone a little bit cheesy, and we're doing a cheese fondue. So we've got some croutons with some garlic and rosemary, some pickled veg, some wine and cream that we're going to sort of turn into the fondue, basically, and some chives for a bit of decoration. First things first, we're going to take our wine and cream and just slowly start warming that up. Whilst that's just warming up, I'm going to put my croutons on a tray, ready to go through the oven. And then what we'll do, we'll just bring the cream up to the boil before adding the cheese. It's just literally wine and cream in there, so you bring it up to the boil and just burn the alcohol off before adding the cheese. Turn it down. Then at that point, we're going to pop our cheese in and melt it in, but ensuring that we whisk it in so it doesn't split and is all nicely combined. Whilst that's coming together, pop our croutons in. Now I'm probably going to have that on about 160. We just want to warm those croutons up. We're not looking to already crispy. So as the cheese melts, it starts going all gooey and stringy. Feel like it is going to come together. Maybe we'll turn it up just to get rid of some of that extra moisture whilst we whisk her up. Something that we need to do. We're just going to warm up our bowl as well. Get the croutons out and keep them warm. Okay, so takes quite a lot of whisking, I guess, and quite a lot of bringing together, but at the end you should have something that's a bit like that, sticky and stringy and pourable. So then we're going to put that into our bowl, and then I'm going to pop it in the oven. Okay, so we've taken our fondue out of the oven. It's nice and hot, and now we're going to sprinkle it with our chives. So we'll put our pickles on one side of the plate. And our croutons. And I'll get those garlics and rosemary on there too.